everybody, my name is Fred and I will try to be your teacher for this video. On the first episode we're talking about VeeR VR. It's a great way to share your 360 videos online if you're a fan of your created content. Found out there are very good people and very interested in the 360 community. If you haven't used it yet, if you don't know this site yet, please check it out, VeeR VR. They always have cool surprises for their creators. VeeR VR recently launched a VeeR Editor app. It's in a beta phase right now. I had the privilege of testing it, and today I'm going to show you how to edit and some of the pros and cons of this app. What it means is you can edit your 360 videos in your phone, so that's really cool. And without further ado, we'll get into the app. This is VeeR VR Video Editor. Edit your 360 videos on the go. Remember guys, it's a beta app still, so you gotta be gentle with them. Let's get right into it. This is the app, really cool. Just start it, upload your videos, whatever you want. You can upload several videos, but it only works on 360 videos. I want to upload this one and this one just for now. So next, the first settings that appears as soon as you load your video are, of course, trim, speed, mute, orientation, and delete the video. So let's start it. I'm going to trim the video, so I guess this is really cool. I don't like my ending, so I'll just cut it off. It's done. So trimming in and out, it's done. Here's the speed of the video. You have two different fast motion ways and two slow motion ways. One slow, one slower, of course. Now, I can either use the audio from the video, or I could just mute it or let it be. Orientation, so this you want people to see the first. So I can change it, I can put it, let's put it this way. So it's different. Okay, after the orientation, of course I don't want to delete it, right? I go to the next clip, second one. I think it's all okay, I don't need to trim it, so done. Speed, it's cool. Orientation, it's right. So orientation is on the other side, so I want it to be here. Okay, the orientation is good. Okay, this little piggy is what makes you the deep to black dissolve. So I want it, why not? It's a cool dissolve. I have already, this is, okay, as you can see, I have to trim a little bit, take off my logo in the end of the video, so it's nice and clean. So now we get the music. So I'm not connected to the internet right now in the phone, so it's not getting other music, but you can get your own music. So I'll put this sound, you can level it higher, lower. For the sake of the tutorial, I'll leave it just like that. Then you have a really cool feature that I'm digging a lot. It's like Instagram filters, so you can dig it right in and select a filter you like. I like this one, so it's going to go. I always like to see the difference between the normal and the new. Okay, more lights, it's all good. Of course you can preview your image in glasses in VR mode. And now we enter one of the most wonderful features of this app. So let's dig right into this. First of all, let me show you something. Because it's a beta and because it's a free software, you have a watermark. For now, there's nothing you can do about it. I think when they release the final version, it will be an option. If you buy the pro version, you can take off the watermark, but I think you have to pay it to take it off. You can do something else. I'll show you. It's not a really big deal. First of all, if you have that arrow on your stickies or on your emojis, on whatever you want to call it, you have to download it. After downloaded, the arrow is gone, so it's working. So you click it, it appears on your image, but as is an animation, you cannot see it right away. So go on a few frames, just select where you want to put it. This is the rotation slash scale. Select it where you want to put it. So this one mirrors it, flips it horizontally. It's useful for several animations. So just scale it up. Now down here it's in and out bar. You can really play around with this. I like to start it all the way. So let's put sun. Yeah, the sun wasn't working last time. You see, this is one of the problems. I think is because of beta. Some of the emojis simply gives you an error. I haven't figured that out. Next, let's put something else. Okay. Let me show you how you can make this watermark disappear. You can simply try and put an emoji on top of it. It's not perfect. Come on guys, it's a free app. So for me personally, now I don't really mind the watermark, but some guys do. So just and inside can use any other because I use this one. So they have a nice cool collection of gadgets and emojis. Now if you want to return to those emojis, you just simply set time and it will bring you up the in and out bars. Okay, after you're done putting several of them, you can try and do some text. Remember, you simply just point to the direction where you want it, the information you want to put it in the video. So for me, I'll put it here, right here on the floor. Just add test. Just write something. After you choose the color and what you want to write it, just click done, and you can control the text exactly the same way you control the emojis. So it's a bit bigger. If you want to edit the text, just simply edit it, change color, no problem. So it's going in here and it's going out before the animation. All of this, there's some, so I just after connecting to the internet, you can see I can choose other musics they have. So let's choose just one of it. The color, the music, and you edit your videos. Remember, you can put more and more videos, only 360 videos. So after all of this, all of your hard work, you can share it, save and share it, and it's going to export to your phone. So after you save it and export it, you can share it on VeeR, or you have other options, but you can share it by any other way you want. Or if you simply want the file, just grab it from your phone. After testing it, after trying it, after creating some videos with it, here's my thoughts on this beta version. I like all the options you have to edit the video, the speed, the trim, the orientation. That's a very important tool. I like the fact that you have a transition. I know for a fact they are working on other transitions, so deep to black is a good transition for 360 videos. So pros and cons for the music, this is it. The pros, you can put other music in, of course, that's a plus. The cons, you cannot cut the music. Imagine I only wanted 30 seconds of the music and the video is 15. You gotta use the 15 seconds of music. The color, the pros, you have a color, so that's a plus. You have the ability to change the color of your videos by a simple touch, but I really wish you could do this to individual clips or individual videos. But I love the idea you can color grade your 360 video in the app. So next time, the really funny part are the emojis. I really like them. They still have some kinks to work with it, but in the long run I really like what they've done with it. I wish these little arrows were larger, and one of the problems I got using this in the smartphone was this in and out arrows. You can imagine a guy with big fingers trying to scroll right and left to try and get that exact frame. It's a little bit hard, but I guess for free software it's awesome. Next, text. The pros and cons. The pros, you can put the text on. I really like to have the ability to put text in my videos, so this editor gives me that possibility, but I really wish I could use caps lock. I really like the whole package. The only thing missing, it's a safe project. Please put a safe project on VeeR. That's a must. For me, it's the only thing missing in this app. But in the end, it's a free beta app, so I think it's a really cool app. I'm really happy they gave me the opportunity to trust the beta. Just waiting for the final release. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, put the thumbs up right there, click it right there. Check out the VeeR creator community on Facebook. Maybe next time I can bring you a VeeR Editor Part 2 Advanced Editing. I have some ideas for this.